Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on open to work on LinkedIn. So let's get into the video. So when you're on your profile on LinkedIn, let me refresh the page. So when you are on your profile on LinkedIn, you see the option open to. All you have to do is click on the option that says open to. You will have three options that says finding a new job, hiring, finding volunteer opportunities. All you have to do is finding a new job. So when you get that option, you have the different opportunities. Do you want a job that is on-site, hybrid, or remote? Let me say, I'll choose hybrid and remote. Now you have to choose the location. If you want another location, I'll probably add in France. Other locations for remote, you can say United States. And start date, you can say you're flexible. And the employment types, you can choose whatever you want. So whatever suits, I would say full-time and probably contract. And now for the visibility, you can choose recruiters only. So this will only notify the recruiters. And you can choose all LinkedIn members. So even people who are not recruiting will be able to see that you are also open to work on LinkedIn. So I would choose recruiters only, and you save that option. Oh, before you save, don't forget to make sure you can add the job titles at the top. I would say DevOps engineer. Okay, and you can save now. All right, so when you save, you'll have the different options that gives you the ability to update via email and notifications. So you can just say no thank you, and that's about it. So this will only allow the recruiters to know that you are open to work. So if you also want to make sure that all LinkedIn members can see that you are open to work, you go back to modifying that option and you scroll back at the bottom where it says all LinkedIn members. So once you click on all LinkedIn members and you save that option, you say next, you cancel this because it's about to make a post. And you exit, and if you refresh the page, it will say open to work. So now you're open to work. So all you have to know is you have to make sure you know the difference between recruiters only and all LinkedIn members. All LinkedIn members will be able to see that you're open to work, but if you choose recruiters only recruiters will be able to see that you are open to work. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any other questions.